Right now, Dollar Tree is kind of in between seasons where we got some Valentine's things and St. Patrick's things and Easter things and then some new things throughout the store. So in today's video, I'm gonna show what you should be looking for this week. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and we're gonna hit up the kids section, the art section, and even the baby section this time to show you the new things you need to be looking out for. So you know, here in the Purple Alphabet, we mostly focus on the kids stuff, so that's what we're going to do. So let's head over to Dollar Tree. I'm gonna walk you through the new things that I recently found that you need to be looking for this week. Let's start off in the front of the store where all of the new Easter and spring things are right now. I'm starting to see the Easter eggs come into stock. This package is huge for $1.25. These are the smaller eggs, and we have the pastel colors. I'm expecting to see more eggs roll in as the weeks go by. Speaking of eggs, we have the chalk Easter eggs, which is a Dollar Tree staple. This is an 8-pack for $1.25. And then new this year, they have a ton of these really cute chalk sets. They're really bringing out all of the Easter basket stuffers now. So just be forewarned, get them now, because if you wait, they might not be there later. We're also going to see a bunch of summer things roll out too, so be on the lookout for those. Love these cars. They are made out of chalk. I thought they were really cool. So this is a brand new find, and in some stores I found them in the toy section. Another new find is this magnifier bug viewer. You can put things inside the base, you have a handle, and you can look through the top that has a magnifying glass. Love the Turbo Wheels construction vehicles. There are a couple different styles of these. They look to be pretty durable, although they are $1.25, so they're not the toughest of tough, but they had some really fun styles. These would be great for indoor or outdoor play and sensory bins. Loving all of these dinosaurs. There was quite the selection at my store. They had put out a full box of all the different ones, so you can get a whole entire collection. They also had these little foam balls. They kind of had this squishy feel to them, and they are great for indoor basketball hoops. You know, the ones you put over the door. Also bringing out these repeats. These are restocks from previous years, but they're putting them all with the Easter basket stuffer section. These squishy things, I don't know, snakes, they go pretty fast too. I did find the original OG bug catcher. This one is the bigger one that comes with some tools. They have some name brand cloud slime. I only found this brown one. And then they had some air dry foam. Haven't tried this. My store only had the blue. Did like this glow in the dark squishy though. It was really extra squishy. But the big find of the day were these learning puzzles. I found one in the solar system, and they also had one in the clock. This is like a dupe for the Melissa and Doug puzzle. Not the best quality, but definitely would work for $1.25. This play phone is also a repeat from Christmas. And then all of these mini games, I'm finding them at all the stores, in the Kerplunk, the Magic 8 Ball, and the Rock'em Sock'ems. And I also found them in some newer styles too, more recently, in the pickleball, the tic-tac-toe, and the cornhole. The thing about these is that you can really miss them, so you have to look. If they're stocked newly and they're all in their original package, then you're gonna find them all together. But in many stores, I have found these spread all over the place. So keep your eyes peeled. You might miss them because they're so small. Another great Easter basket find are these wind-up toys. I found them in a few different styles. I think the frog is the cutest. Of course, I love that they're already in an egg. Let's head over to the toy section since we're already talking about the Easter basket fillers with all the toys. I did find some slow rise sensory balls. These are when you push them and they just take a little bit to go back into shape. These are in a couple different colors and they appear to be going really fast everywhere I see them. They also have all of the animals. These are amazing. The safari animal set, they have so many to pick from: tigers, gorillas, and even zebras. So these are really nice. I think they're of great value for $1.25, and you can get quite the collection. Then name brand Slinky. Look how big. This is a giant Slinky. My kids would love this. We always break them, but they have a huge selection of them. More Easter basket fillers with those little spiky ones. These are the balls instead of the longer shape. And then we have this new find, which I haven't seen before, but I only found one. It's a keychain that is a water game. And then this was cool. 2 for 1, you guys. 2 Silly Sense doughs. You can pick your color choices. 2 for $1.25. And looks like somebody just randomly put together a gift basket and then left it here. So I thought that was kind of funny. If you need this basket, it's here. Then we also have some new scratch art. So I am not a fan of the scratch art myself. Sometimes it's a hit and miss. These were activity sheets. There's 6 in 1 here, and then you get to pick the style. So they had like outer space and fossils. I think they had like a royalty one, and it tells you up on the top right corner which one you're getting. Over in the office section though, I did find these other scratch art kits in a couple different themes, the space, the dinosaurs. They're very, very similar to the other ones, just a little bit different style. So I don't know, if you've tried them, you'll have to let me know your experience. And then comic books. These are the DC comic books. Now they had all of the main characters, but they're very, very thin. I would say maybe like 6 to 10 pages maybe, not sure. But that was kind of a cool find, especially if you have a collector that likes those kinds of things. In the classroom section, I wanted to point out a few restocks. We have all of these little STEM materials that are really popular. They've been restocked, as well as the counter chips have been restocked. So the timers are also a good find. They have been restocked. And then a personal favorite are these little dry erase cubes. I just posted a video. I'll put it up here in the corner so you can go check out what I'm talking about, where I talked about using these for some learning activities. So really good finds there. And then let's look at all of the organizational finds. The spring colors are out, and basically every container on this aisle comes in all the colors, so you can have your pick. There's different kinds of baskets, some with handles, some that don't have any holes on the side. I do like the gray color. I think that will go really far. They have these trash cans here that look to be a really decent size for a bathroom. They have these baskets here that are rectangular shape, and they come in all the different colors. Although my favorite would have to be the new wire baskets. These are really great. I thought that was a cool find. We have the larger pails here, and then some more of those rectangular ones. I did find the ones that are the file folders too in this style, and those would also be a really great addition for your office. These containers, you can store all kinds of things on both ends for dip, and then these are like a yogurt granola cup where you can put the toppings on top of the container for your granola. These are a repeat from last year, just in all the new spring colors. These water bottles are kind of fun too. They have motivational sayings on the side. And then here are those other containers that I was talking about that are for like file folders or book holders that would be great for a desk. They came in all of the same colors as the other one. Let's head over to the books section, because there are a couple new finds I wanted to point out, especially for the activity books. These coloring books looked pretty good. They were really, really thick, and they work on letters. It has the whole activity book filled with all kinds of different activities and color in and write in pages. This also came in the My First numbers, so you can get one of each and work on both skills. These are just really great take and go kind of things. They also had this set of books for social skills. So they have these flip flaps in them, and you can pull open the flap and see what skills you're working on. This one says courtesy. This book is I Am Respectful. They also had I Am Confident, I Am Caring, and I Am Empowered. This Monster Fun book down here at the very bottom looks new to me, so I just wanted to point out a new coloring book find. But some favorites have been showing up, and that is the Silly Sticker Fun. This time we have a superhero one, which I thought was pretty cool. These have pages in them that are kind of illustrated, where you have spots to put all the stickers. They include the stickers too, so you can add them in. They also had a fashion one, which I thought was cool because it had these little stick-on nails, so you can decorate the hands with the nails and put all of the different clothing on the fashion models inside the pages. So that was kind of a new one. And then they also had this sticker book Silly Faces, where it has all the accessories that you can put on the faces, like sunglasses and hats and eyes. And another favorite that I really like are these sticker puzzle books. These come in all kinds of new themes every so often, where you have a sheet of numbers, and then you go find those numbers in your sticker sheet and add them onto the page to reveal the picture. So it's kind of like a mystery picture thing, which is really great for number recognition, especially in that preschool age. And so they have different themes this year, and so they have different themes this week, so look for those. Another find is this one, which is a little bit more complicated because the sticker shapes are different. Same concept, but I like even doing these. I really enjoy them. I think they're relaxing, so good finds. They have brought back all the Arthur board books too, so be on the lookout for those, as well as the Nancy Drew books. Let's head over to the office section. They have a few new finds that are really important to show you, such as these 3D eraser sets. We've seen these before in the past, and this time we have a whole slew of categories. I actually like the little 90s, 80s one. They have a musical instrument one. This one looks really cool with an eraser compact. Space theme, which would be great for a sensory bin. We have some animals up here here at the top. This was a new find in here. I have never seen it before. It's like a generic Goo Gone solution, so if anybody's tried that, let me know. Some really great stationary writing instruments such as these pens from ProMarks. And this one came in 3 different colors. It just gets me really excited that school supplies are going to be hitting Dollar Tree very soon. And then baby, if you have a friend that's having a baby or you yourself, you might want to check out some of the finds back here. I do like these Sesame Street little teething rings. I thought they were really cute. They also have these sensory teethers from Be Pure, which is a brand we've seen in the cosmetics line. They come in a couple different styles. This one is a teether you put around the wrist and has a little Velcro closure. Then we have these little pacifier clips too. They came in 2 different designs. I've been seeing burp cloths all over the place and they're super soft. These are snack containers. These are restocks. I showed them to you a couple months ago, and they have an opening where all the little things that they try to get out stay inside the container and they only get a few. Then we have onesies in 3 different colors. These are really thin, but a really good find for $1.25, to be honest. We have these Fisher Price toothbrushes that have the safety hold on them. They come 2 to a pack, which is actually a really good deal. And we have the feeder sack here where you put the fruit in there and you can chew on it and avoid choking. Also found a lot of baby wash, body lotion, and shampoo for baby in both the Playtex and the Fisher Price brand. Each one was $1.25. All right, what do you have your eye out for? What are you gonna be searching for this week? Let me know down below in the comments. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on another video, and give me a thumbs up to show your love.